Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to schedule an email in Gmail. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now simply click on the search bar and type in gmail.com, press enter. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to schedule an email, for that first of all you'll have to compose the email. So simply click on the compose option that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be able to compose the email. First of all, specify the recipient. Simply enter the email of the recipient over here. Now also enter the subject if you want. Now enter your message. You can also attach the document if you want. Now after composing the email, normally you just click on the send option and send the email. But if you want to schedule it, what you have to do is simply click on the drop down icon that you can see right next to the option send. Now you'll be able to find the option for schedule send over here. Simply click on it. Now you can see over here you'll be able to schedule the time. You'll be able to find the default time over here. You can select the time from here, or you can also pick the date and time if you want. Simply click on the option pick date and time. Now you can see over here you'll be able to pick the date and time. First of all, select the date. Simply click on the date that you want to send. Now after doing that, what you have to do is specify the time. Simply click on the field of time. Now what you have to do is enter the time over here. Also specify AM or PM. Now after doing that, what you have to do is click on the option schedule send. Now your email has been scheduled. If you want to see the email, simply click on the scheduled option that you can see right over here. Now you'll be able to see your scheduled email over here. So that is how you schedule email in Gmail. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.